The Myth of the Silver Waterfall. Once upon a time, there was a rule in heaven that forbade all gods from falling in love without permission of the Jade Emperor. Angus and Parisa, however, were two gods who dared to go against the grain.
I miss you so much, my love.
So do I.
Angus, Parisa, don't you know what the laws of heaven are? How dare you be together like this? Guard, arrest them immediately and bring them to the Jade Emperor.
No, please.
Kneel.
Angus, the god who rules the heavenly palace, yet you not only failed to set an example, but also dared to fall in love right at the gate of heaven. You are the one who knows best that it's against the rules.
Great Jade Emperor, I'm to blame for everything that happened. Angus has nothing to do with it.
I haven't even mentioned your sins yet. You already defend him. You are the keeper of the purity of the precious celestial water, which sustains the immortality of the entire divine world, yet you dare to engage in mortal love right at this sacred place. Your sins deserve the 9th floor of hell.
Jade Emperor, please, let me bear all the punishment. Don't make Parisa suffer. It's all my fault. I purposefully seduced her.
How dare you defend each other in my presence? Has heaven lost all of its order?
Great Jade Emperor, indeed Angus and Parisa have violated heaven's rules and deserve to be severely punished. However, they also did great deeds for both the heavens and the human realm. If they go to hell, I'm afraid the people won't agree. Please have mercy on them, Jade Emperor. It is true that you two have done many good deeds and sacrifices. For that reason, I punish you two to go down on earth and live and suffer from the mortal laws, birth, old age, sickness, death. When you have experienced enough hardships for the human life, you may be reincarnated as gods.
Thank you, Great Jade Emperor.
Thank you, Great Jade Emperor.
Are you tired, darling?
Not at all, my love. As long as we are together, no matter how hard it is, I can endure it.
Life on Earth is indeed very hard, but we are free to love each other and don't have to hide anymore. I feel very pleased. I just hope this serenity will last forever. Even sharing porridge and vegetables together would be fulfilling enough.
From then on, Parisa and Angus were exiled to live the life of mortals, full of hardship. Soon after, a little boy was born in the boundless happiness of the two gods.
Stop, Rabbit! Go on!
Son, don't go too far. You will be lost in the woods.
Rabbit, wait for me!
Your human life ended here. Now follow me to heaven. As the son of gods, let's return you to where you belong.
Son! My dear son!
My dear son! Sir, have you seen a kid around 5-6 years old playing around here?
I haven't seen.
My dear son! Where have you gone?
Stay calm, dear. I guess he just got lost. Let me go and find him.
Son! My son! Darling, he's down there! My son, why did you leave us like this? God, if you punish, please punish me. Why did you force my child to suffer?
my dear son, my dear Parisa.
My son. My dear son. After the death of their son, Angus and Parisa were left in deep sorrow. Every day, Parisa sat at the door of the house, hoping that her son would return, with no mood to eat nor drink.
I'm sorry. It's all because of me. I didn't take good care of him. I am a horrible father and a careless husband.
Poor couple. They only had the one child and he fell off a cliff. They must be heartbroken. It looks like they've lost their souls.
Poor them. It's been a few days since and she's still sitting there crying her eyes out.
My Jade Emperor, you won't just let Angus and Parisa suffer like that, will you? No, they're just mortals. There's no need for you to care about them. They need to go through all the joys and sorrows, happiness and disaster in the world to know why gods are not allowed to indulge in such complicated mortal love. Yes, my Emperor, but what about the child? The boy is being reincarnated, waiting to be reborn as a god. Don't say it out loud or you will ruin everything. Hythe. Where is the once majestic Angus? Angus, what brings you up here?
It's you, old Griffin. Did I go to the gate of heaven? I'm just wandering around like a lost soul. Wow, great chess position, right when I'm bored. Let me show you a few moves.
How lucky am I? No one has been able to solve this position for the past few months. It is true the Mandarin Angus was a chess master in the heavens. Today I am very fortunate to be instructed.
Checkmate! So I won?
It's been a long time since I've played such good chess. I've been completely defeated.
I haven't played chess in a very long time. I haven't been in the mood to do anything. Shall we play another game?
I think that's enough. Some other time. We've played all day today. I still have to go back. If the Jade Emperor doesn't see me, I might be blamed.
Has it been a day? A day in heaven is equal to a year on earth. Oh my god, I must go home now. Parisa! Parisa! She's not at home. Where can she be? Sir, have you seen my wife?
Every day, she waited for you on the hill behind that house, till she passed away. A miracle happened. Her white hair turned into a waterfall behind your house, flowing forever.
Oh my god, my wife! What have I done? Parisa, I'm good for nothing. I was not by your side when you needed me the most. I only knew my own pain, but forgot my family. Forgot that you also lost your child, just as painful as me.
Then Angus sat beside the waterfall with the remembrance of Parisa and cried until he died. His corpse turned into a mountain standing right next to the waterfall. From then, people called it him mountain and her waterfall, and always told the story as an instruction to posterity to always cherish their family while they could.